The pros and cons of buying a house for Airbnb. Are you looking to buy an investment home to make some extra cash on the side? Great idea. But have you ever thought about converting that investment home into an Airbnb? Here are some pros and cons turning your investment property into an Airbnb. The pros: income can be more than a steady tenant depending on the location and popularity of the listing. You have more flexibility and control over the property, and you're not relying on just one tenant. Now, here are some of the cons. You may have to get special insurance on the property. You must check with your local authorities on zoning guidelines. And upfront costs can be more expensive because of the need to have a live-in ready home. Must be furnished. You're responsible for utilities such as cable, electric, water, wear and tear, and HOA dues. Now, the income can be irregular based on the time of the year or the location you are in, unlike steady income of a long-term tenant. If you're interested, do your research on the best area to purchase your investment property. Then contact a local lender like me to help with your home buying needs. Remember, with any real estate and or investment, it's all about location, location, location. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mortgage content. We're the Mortgage Firm Tampa, a local lender serving clients like you.